If dog is shy, you shouldn't start grooming right away. You should wait a little while. I was wait like 60 minutes, like over an hour, and just approach little by little. Make sure you don't grab it, and make sure they smell you first. Do not try to touch them yet. I like to use a candle lead to communicate it. Here we go. This is a sign. And okay, you can touch me now. Then you can touch. Change location. That means he's on the table. Make sure you don't start it right away. He have to know what's going on first. Make sure he doesn't panic or nothing. When he calm, then you can start petting him. Did you notice I haven't taken his color yet? I think most shy dog doesn't like touching the color first. When you started using clipper, and make sure the vibration is won't bother him, and until just to make turn on, then he can listen to the noise, vibration, he get used to, then you can start clipping. If dogs let you, just keep petting, petting, clipping. And don't forget to changing blades. Make sure blades is not hot. You can burn the dog skin. So changing blades often. Now it's time to take it off the collar. Ta-da! So he don't mind take it off the collar. Most dog taking collar first, they make a really upset. So make sure you don't take it off the collar first. When you want to make dogs stand up, and make sure hold their leashes, then make a stand up. So that means dogs will be more comfortable. If you put hands underneath, dogs will be jump and upset. You cannot pick up the dog, and you can just use a chair or a step to make them to go self. I'm gonna start a new tool and make sure they knew and let them sniff. Shy dog, you can give a lot of attention and give a lot of breaks. After the shampoo. And a lot of dogs doesn't like the face touch. And you can tell that, look at the legs. This one said, please don't hurt me. So make sure you don't hurt them. Use a lot of thinning shear or like a blender to cut a mats out. And you don't have to brush out. Dogs don't like brushing. Just cut the mats out. You don't even bother. Just don't brush it. Just cut the mats out. Ouch, foxtail. See, under the mats, always have a foxtail like that. So a lot of shy dogs doesn't like the back here. So make sure the clipper is very sharp and good blades. If old and bad blades, they like pull the hair, so it hurts. So they don't like it more. So make sure the sensitive area when you're gonna shave the number 10, that means 1 mil. That means make sure blades is very good blades, like very sharp. Very sharp blades won't eat the hair, so that means dogs will be fine. If that one pull the hair out, so that means it hurts, so they don't like it. So same thing around the butt area. Make sure you use sharp blades. Okay, I know blades is expensive, but you have to get always new ones, and do not use old blades for doing shy dog. And if you give a bad experience, they will hate it. They're gonna hate the grooming forever. So trust first. If he trusts you, you can do anything. If you don't build a trust first, and he's gonna hate, he's gonna fight. You can tell, kind of trust me, kind of, kind of. So he won't fight with me. Good dog, very good dog. I mean, he's fine with the grooming, but some dogs doesn't like the grooming. That means keeping short is better. If we keep it long, you have to take the grooming salon often, and also cost you more. I mean, he's fine with grooming, but if you don't want to spend too much money on it, that means keeping short is very important. If pretty matted, it's not good for skin, so it's bad for skin. This kind of dog need to be every 6 to 8 weeks, need to be professional grooming. If you keep it short, this kind of dog need to be every 6 to 8 weeks, need to be professional grooming. If you keep it short, maybe 2 to 3 months, should be okay. I mean, he's excellent. So today I have to shave him down because pretty mad at it, but I don't think he don't mind to do every week grooming. He's so good and he's so smart. He learned just like that, so that's good. I don't think he don't mind. You don't mind, huh? Some dogs, yes, hate grooming, but he's not. But again, you have to build it, trust first. So if not, he's gonna be freak out and he won't be happy when you're grooming. This is proof. If you build a trust first, you can do anything. Especially this smart dog. Oh, thank you. Such a good dog. Okay, you're done. I'm just gonna do the tail, okay? Let me see the face again. Oh, I missed a spot. I missed a spot. Sweet dog. Aww. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're beautiful too, yes.